Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Our Amazon find for today are the Apple Airpods 4 wireless earbuds. Over 2,000 have been pre-ordered on Amazon in the past month alone. Introducing the ultimate fusion of cutting-edge audio technology and effortless convenience, whether you're tuning in to your favorite playlist or taking an important call. The improved battery life gives you up to 30 hours of seamless listening, and the sleek ergonomic design ensures a perfect fit for all-day comfort. With fast wireless charging, enhanced touch controls, and seamless integration with all your Apple devices, AirPods 4 are your go-to choice for premium sound anywhere, anytime. Recharge using an Apple Watch charger or a QI certified charger. The powerful H2 chip comes to AirPods 4. Adaptive audio seamlessly blends advanced noise cancellation capabilities and transparency mode, which lets you comfortably hear and interact with the world around you exactly as it sounds. To provide the best listening experience in any environment, and when you're speaking with someone nearby, conversation awareness automatically lowers the volume of what's playing. Now here's the magical experience. Just say Siri or Hey Siri to play a song, make a call, or check your schedule. And with Siri interactions, now you can respond to Siri by simply nodding your head yes or shaking your head no. Pair AirPods 4 by simply placing them near your device and tapping connect on your screen. Easily share a song or show between two sets of AirPods. A skin detecting sensor knows to play audio only when you're wearing AirPods and pauses when you take them off. Check out the link in the description box or simply scan the QR code. Like, comment, and subscribe for more Amazon finds.